cozy yet? Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush.
So you guys, Hobby decided to take her and my daughter out today. So we are currently at the shop, right? Just pick a few things. I don't really want to buy something here, but I don't know what I'll be buying again. And from here we'll be heading somewhere else, which I don't know yet. Okay. Like you guys, here is very fun right now. It has really improved from the way it was the last time we came here. The last time we stayed here, like, it's so much fun. I just wish I can show you guys.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
I got the price here. You can not feel it.
49,000. Just 50k.
50,000 for
big shrimps.
Shrimps.
A second, I love this moment, yeah.
This place has changed a lot, and because of that, in fact, I'll be coming here more often. Like, this place has changed so. It has changed a lot. They now have shops where you can get varieties, unlike the first time I came here. Like, I'm so impressed. Like, I've seen more reasons to be back here every time. To come back here again. Yeah, so yeah. Hey guys, tell me what you think about this place. This is ShopRite, like I said earlier. Give this video a massive thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I will see you guys in my next one. Share, bye.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so right, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you keep
So guys, this is where we come to eat, to have dinner. We are going home at the moment. And this place is called the Plonto. Is it Plonto? Plonto in Kaduna State. So I'll come back here next time to take a better video of this place. Yeah, so this place is so nice. But for the fact that the restaurant is at the second floor, like, I didn't find it funny based on anyways, I enjoy their food. Bye. Bye. Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, please do not make it your last. My name is Chinelo Ezeonye, and you're a YouTuber based in Kaduna. Okay, so guys, I want to do a quick unboxing. These are the things I got yesterday, and some of them are the ones I got since, but I just took out the ones I want to use at that moment, and I dumped the rest with the later. And yeah, so I'm here to, show you guys. Yeah, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so guys, this is Mama Lemon dishwasher. I actually got more than this. I got 5, but I've used 1. Like I said, I took out the ones that are very, very important. Okay, let's keep this aside. And here I got my kitchen towel. Okay, these are 2 kitchen towels I got. I'll keep it here. Okay, here I got my granola. Okay, this is Alvira granola. Yeah, I got this for 5,000 plus or thereabouts. And what else? I got my yogurt. All right, I got 2 yogurt, farm fried yogurt, sweetened actually, and this is a mild sweetened yogurt as well. Okay, as you can see, both are sweetened yogurts. Like, I used to take unsweetened, but this time around I want to take sweetened yogurt. Okay, so I also got cornflakes for my kids. Actually got 2 cornflakes yesterday. I got this yesterday that I went to what is it called, ShopRite. Okay, yeah, I have to keep it aside as well. And then here, what do we have here? Okay, I got twist macaroni pasta, golden penny pasta. This is twist. And then actually got 2 twists, and okay, and I got is it blue pearl coconut milk. Yeah, they're making coconut rice for my kids and for my family. Okay, let me keep this here. What else did I have here? Okay. I have my almighty pancake. Like, my kids love these pancakes so much, and I keep buying it every time. Every time I go to the mall, I used to buy this pancake. Okay, I still have some left here. I have one that is like half, almost half, and I got a new one because we can't run out of it. Yeah. Okay, this is the last but not the least. You guys, this will be my first time of buying this. This is Mr. Sheen. Is it Oxy Ultra Wash Fabric Stain Remover? Like, I have, you guys know I'm in love of whites. I love white wear. It's like t-shirts or gowns. And then I have some stained white that I have tried so many methods. They are not removing. If you guys know what I can use to remove those things, please do let me know, in case if I use this and it's not able to do the work. Okay, so I got this. I just hope it does the work better. Perfect. So guys, this is it, and this brings us to the end of this unboxing. I'll see you guys. Bye. I'm already at the shop, and I want to show you guys what I have in my bag. Not in my handbag, but in my food bag. I carry this bag almost every day to the shop. Okay, so I want to show you guys what I have inside my bag. Okay, so you guys, here is my bag. Here is my bag, and let's see what we'll have inside it. I have to use this hanky to cover my water. Yeah, so let me show you guys. Here I have my water. Here is my cup with my water inside of it. Yeah, here is it. And then here I have my food. I have rice and jollof rice and dry fish, which I made from the stew I had in the fridge already, with some beef, as you can see, dry fish and beef. Yeah. Next here is my salad. The salad I'm going to have. I'm going to eat it with my jollof rice. Gosh. So here is my salad. Okay. And lastly, I have my parfait. This is parfait and flaxseed. Okay, I added flaxseed to it. No fruits. I didn't add fruit because I don't have any in the house this morning. So just the granola, flaxseed, and yogurt. So this is what I have here, and that is all I have inside of my bag. As you can see, this bag is empty now. Okay, just empty.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute.
Sit. Just want to sit.
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute.